how are you? Even I'm good. I would think that even you are good too. So today, if you are new to our video, please like, share and subscribe. And I'm going to share you today a enjoying thing. So let's get into the video. In Bangalore, it is raining so heavily that a person couldn't go outside even. Here I'm capturing the video. See, you can see there is a school behind that building. This is the plant. We have 3 pots of plant. First one is tulsi plant, and second one is even a tulsi plant. There is a marigold tree. See, you can see marigold flowers. And the third one is aloe vera plant, and there is an ajwain plant even. And this is the flower plant. You can see this is the flower plant. There was so much of hotness in the room, and today it is raining, so there will be a coldness, and we are feeling happy even, enjoying the rain. There's a building nearby our house even, and that's an apartment. And this is the yellow color building. This is our room, our apartment, and even there's an apartment there. See guys, it's raining. You know why it is raining? Here's a person who is going with an umbrella. You know why it is raining? It is raining because it is the process of water cycle. We have studied it so many times. It is the process of water cycle when the ponds and rivers become very dry, and there isn't water vapor rising it up. There isn't water vapor rising it up, and that water vapor converts it to the cloud, and then it condenses in the earth. There's a truck going, and we are enjoying the rain. In here we 2 sisters. My name is Arpita and her name is Monica. And we are enjoying here. You know, when we feel the rain, how does it affect? It affects like it's a wonderful thing, we are touching it. It's a wonderful nature. I like feel so happy when I go to rain, whenever I dance in rain, but I never did this. You can see those plants. They were full dried and drenched. And when the rain came, you can see it all watered the plants. And now we can get a good oxygen from this. I'm so happy. Now we are going out. This is our street. You know, I like feel so much happy, and my sister too. She never feels the rain, and first time we are feeling it. And when we feel, it affects like a wonderful thing we are touching. So the wonderful nature we are touching now. Now the rain had slowed. Let's go there. We are going that side. Wow. happy, and even feel the rain. How do you feel and what happens when you touch the rain? And if you are new to our video, please like, share and subscribe with your family members or others. So